Okay, so we are starting our one-word project. Remember, we are picking at least one word to think about our goals and our things that we would like to do in 2021, since we are still in the month of January. So right here, this is where you're going to start. You start over here, it pops up with words. You have one word that you want to do. That's probably the word that you've thought about, and Miss McCoy chose consistency. You can also add some supporting words. If you wanted to just have your one word, you could put consistency right here 3 times. Or honestly, what you can do is you can click on it and you see right here it says remove. You could remove these words so it's not going to have any other words. But I wanted to come up with some supporting words that is going to support my goal. My goal is to be consistent this year, and I want to be consistent by having more focus and by following my passions. So I want to be focusing and being consistent with the things that I am passionate about. So these are my words that I want to use. Again, you can just do one word, or you can have your main word with some supporting words right here. That's what I'm going to choose to do. All right, once you picked your word, you can get creative. Down here is shapes. There are so many from you to choose from. It's going to be kind of a lot to scroll down. There's emojis, there's holiday things, but kind of choose one that would go with your word. So the one that I liked the best was an outline of a woman, because I really want to work on myself and me being consistent, me following my passions. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that shape. Once I've chosen my words and my shapes, now I can move on to if I wanted to change the font. There are also a lot of fonts here that you can choose. I'm just going to go with this one right here. All right, so now I've chosen my word, my shape, and my fonts. Here is where you can choose layout. So if I were to stick with just horizontal, my words are just going to go horizontal, or I can have my words go vertically, kind of a mix. I like the dancing words, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. And last, down here, there's a little tab that says style. So right now, this is my color scheme. This is my color scheme for what my word art is going to look like. If I wanted to change my colors, I can press custom and click on the colors. So if I wanted to, right here it says click on a color to remove it. So if I don't like this color, blues are my favorite color. So I'm definitely going to do a blue. I can add it to my palette. I'm going to remove that color, and I also think I want a red because red kind of reminds me of focus and passion. So that kind of goes with my words as well. Add to palette. Okay, so I enjoy these colors now, and I can choose close. All right, once I have chosen all of these, I've gone through what I want my words to say, my shape, my font, my layout, and my style. I'm going to click this button that says visualize. And it might take a second to create my word art for me. And boom. So now I have word art that has all of my words on it. It does have consistency, the biggest, which is my main word for 2021. If I didn't like something about it, you can always go back. I think maybe the blue and the purple are a little bit too close in color, so maybe I'd go back and switch that. But you can do that again. If I clicked here and went to color, maybe a little bit of a difference right there. Take that away. All I'd have to do is press visualize. Oh, actually, I didn't even have to press visualize one more time. It just popped up there for me. So once it's like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press download, and you're going to download it as a standard JPEG right here. So it's going to download onto your computer, and then you can upload it into Canvas so that we can use them. If you have any questions, shoot us a message.